What up, y'all? I just pulled into Mirasol Country Club. It's currently gusting up to 30 miles an hour. Today's conditions are super tough, but let's see what I can shoot from the back tees out here in this crazy, crazy wind. Stay tuned.
All right, hole one, 380 yard, par 4, dogleg right. Wind's about 10 miles an hour, consistent right in the face. I'm just gonna play a little cut off that left bunker out there. Sit down just a hair. I don't know. Well, I got a little unfortunate here, a little bit of a bad break. I'm in the mulchy area. Flag is back left. It's kind of hard to see even for me. So it's like right over the tip of this bunker. So 113 yards, wind straight in the face. I'm just gonna hit a little pitching wedge here. Not sure how this is gonna react. Oh, that could be pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. That's real good. All right, I got about 15 feet here. Down grain, wind's coming into me, grain sloping that way. So let's just put this kind of dead center. Come on, start off with a birdie would be magical. Oh, settle. Oh my gosh. I didn't hit any putts, Gabe. After hammering that putt by, I didn't hit any practice putts on the putting green. Got about 6 feet, saw what it did. Should be a pretty straightforward putt here. Yeah. That's a good par. There we go. All right, hole number 2, 436 yard, par 4, dogleg right. I'm just gonna try to hit a straight ball right at that bunker out there. Wind is pumping and it's going into and pushing left. So let's get this driver to cooperate for me. Might have to sit. All right, that'll be a good angle. After that pretty decent drive right at this bunker here, got about 170 yards straight into the wind. I'm gonna play at about 190. It is windy today. 6 iron. Oh no. Ah, that sucks. Sit down. Oh man. Ah. All right, well, after that not very good 6 iron, I got a weird little mulchy stance here. I don't know what's gonna happen here, to be honest. This is weird. Got to kind of come across it here. That's good. Ah. Honestly, I'll take that. That's tough. Try again. All right. Well, after that kind of decent chip out. Oh boy, this is a tight lie. We got a 58. I know I have to land this probably on the fringe. It is going to release like crazy. Landed it perfectly. Sit down. Soft. Ooh. Okay. That's insane release. I thought that was gonna be good, Gabe. Yeah. All right, well, after seeing what Gabe's did, we got about 10 feet up the hill, going slightly left. Just gonna put this right edge. Let's make a good stroke on it. Come on. There we go. Let's go, baby. We rolling. All right, well, after that fairly decent bogey on the last hole, par 3, 172 yards straight in the face. I'm gonna play at about 185 because this wind is blowing very hard. Just a little cut in there off the middle of the middle of the green with the 6 iron. Come on. It's a good swing. Be the number. Oh, it's long. After smoking that 6-iron through the wind, it flew about 185, which is hilarious. When you hit it good, the wind doesn't touch it. But now I got a little testy downhill 35-footer swinging to the right pretty heavily. Let's see what we can do here. Please stretch. Please stretch. You know what? I kind of duffed that. I'm not going to lie. 6 feet down the hill, snapping like crazy to the right. Just drippy speed. Probably about a foot outside left. Just let it drip in there. Wow, it broke all the way across the hole. Ah, it's a good putt. Hard spot to be back at the green. Par 4, 420 yards. Wind is straight into the face, pushing very heavily to the left. So I'm just gonna play a baby cut right over that bunker in the middle, or right over the bush in the middle of the waist area. Come on, driver, please work for me. Couldn't have hit a better ball. After hitting this drive pretty dang good, I got about 142 yards. Wind is straight into, pushing left. I'm gonna play it about 155, and I'm gonna draw it in there, wind pushing left, slope pushing left. I think if I try to play a fade and fight this slope, it's not gonna get there. So, pin's right in the middle too. Oh, it's a good swing. I don't know if it's there. Yeah, that's short. Short? After that pure 9-iron that I thought was gonna be good. Jeepers, this wind. Got about 39 feet, straight into the wind, uphillish. Grain's kind of swinging that way. I'm just gonna try to feel this one. I'm not quite sure what it's doing. I think it's going a little right. Hold your line. Hold your line. Yeah, it's a good putt. All right, I'll take par. On to the next. We got a 559-yard par 5 straight into this blistering wind. It's pushing a little left. Just gonna play a cut and it'll probably end up being a straight ball. Kind of right down the pipe. Come on. No! Oh, get lucky. Oh boy, okay, it's gonna be close. Okay, well, after hitting that drive just a little left, stayed in by about 6 inches, we'll take it. Now, I'm just trying to get it out to the 150 stake. I gotta do something a little funky here. Stay tuned. I gotta get a little, ooh. Those palmettos are tickling my arms. Well, wish me luck, boys and girls. Honestly, not bad. Bunch of dirt in my eye. Well, after that little punch out covered me with dirt, got about 175 yards to the flag. I'm gonna cut a 6-iron in there, let the wind hold it up. Wind's pushing left. It's kind of just right at it. Maybe be right. Yeah, it looked pretty good. Okay, got about 39 feet downhill. Grain's pulling it left, slope's pulling it left. Put a good roll on it. Turn, hit it. Oh gosh. See you later, ball. All right, saw what it did. Saw it past the hole. Should be pretty much just straight at it. Come on, 7 feet. Bummer, goes to the right. Ah. All right, bogey. After that 3-putt, shake it off. Another par 5, 560 yards. Wind is helping. I'm gonna swing hard at this ball. Just let it just ride the wind. Come on. That was hammered. Okay, well after that pretty smashed drive, I got about 230 yards left. So I'm gonna hit a little 4-iron, kind of a downhill lie, downwind. Should be perfect. No, catch the bunker. Oh, it did. Caught the front lip of that bunker, so it slowed it down. Got about 25 yards. I want to land this just right by those sprinkler heads. Got a 58. This is a very, very tough shot. Just got a little too cute with it. That's silly. Got a little too cute with that 58. Now I got a lot easier look at it. Just up the hill. Just got to land it just on. It's going to break a little right, then it's going to go in the hole. I'm missing my spot by like, all right, got about 20 feet up the hill, breaking just a hair to the left for birdie. I mean, sorry, for par. Jeez. Dadgum. Nope. Yeah, that's a great putt. That is such an unfortunate bogey.
Oh, I birdied it.
Yeah, you did. Nice birdie, Gabe. Well, after that debacle of a bogey on the last, got a little par 4, 388 yards. I'm just gonna swing hard at this ball. See how close I can get it to the green. Downwind, come on. Get close. Yeah, it's up there. After that bomb drive, I got about 30 yards. Middle of the fairway. Couldn't have placed it any better. Let's make something happen here. Come on. All right, that is so mediocre. So incredibly mediocre. Well, after that extremely mediocre chip, I got about 11 feet, breaking to the left. Rain's pulling it left. Come on. This birdie would be huge for the morale. Sloughed off more than I thought. All right, par. Unfortunate. All right, we got to get something moving here. Moving and grooving. I got 190 yards, par 3. Straight downwind. I got a 7-iron, just kind of right at it. Not much else to it. It's a good swing. It might have to sit. I don't know. It did have to sit. Well, that 7-iron went about dang near 200 yards. It's insane. We got a 42-footer up the hill, breaking right.
Get up there. Get up.
That's just depressing. Well, after leaving that putt about 9 feet short, 9-footer, breaking to the right. It's just not a good putting to bogey. Par 4 here, 445, downwind. I'm gonna get after this golf ball. See how far I can move it up there. Slight dog leg to the left. Dang it. Get lucky somehow. Oh no. Okay, well, I hammered that drive. I got 140 yards left, but this tree is not ideal. Got to hit like a cut 5. This is gonna be funky. Ah, that was the right idea. Keep rolling. It's a very hard shot. Almost hit that tree. Well, that 5-iron really almost worked out for me. Got just a little chip here. I'm gonna take a gap wedge, just a little bump and run. Just run it right up there. Get it close. Go in the hole, go in the hole. Oh my gosh. That's so good, dude. Holy smokes. Well, after that sick gap wedge, I'll just tap this bad boy in with a wedge. Par. Let's go, baby. Okay, we got a slight dog leg left, par 4, 368 yards. The wind is howling off the right side and helping. So let's see if I can get this thing close. That would be sick. Ah, no. I hit it right off the toe. I was so off balance with the wind. Okay, after that toe bang drive, we got about 35 yards off on a little like kind of upslope here, so just got to get a little cute with this, but not too cute. Oh, it checked too much. Holy Toledo. Got about 13 feet up the hill, breaking right. I'm gonna play this about a cup and a half outside left. Come on, Ian. Oh, it kissed the lip. Just a little too firm, but I like the stroke. Ah. All right, par. I'll take it. 218 yard par 3, downwind. I got 6-iron in hand. Just kind of go right at it. Oh, I hooked it. And I didn't hit it very good. Sit down. Well, after hammering that 6-iron, went about 230 yards. I'm left with a little into the wind chip. Looks to be down grain. Should be breaking a hair to the left. Let's get it running like a putt. Just like that. Oh, stay up. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, after that pretty good chip, got about 4 feet. Going just a hair to the left. Come on, Ian. Yeah, that's like the best stroke I've made all day. Let's go. Par 5, slight dog leg to the right. How far is it? Holy smokes, 586. Yeah, let's step on a driver here. Ah, just pulled it. Yeah, I've been over there plenty of times. Okay, well, after that little Yankee drive, I got 288 to the flag. It's a little 3-wood here. Just turn it in there with the wind. Kind of split the flag and that 150 sign. Maybe a baby draw. Oh, too much draw. That was a really good swing though. Maybe bunker. After that hammered 3-wood, I got just a little bunker shot. Just gotta open the face up. Flag is very tucked. So, see what we can do here.
There we go.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. Look, it's still released. It's just a very hard shot, but I'll take that every single day of the week. Every day that ends in Y. Well, after that very nice bunker shot, got 12 feet up the hill into the grain, just going a hair to the left. Got this right edge. Let's put a good stroke on it. Come on, baby. The birdie jar is open. Okay, coming off that birdie, I'm feeling good. We got a 472 yard par 4, dogleg right, wind into pushing right. So I'm just gonna go kind of right at those bunkers. Let the ball just turn with the wind. Oh, okay. That was weird. Well, after getting very lucky with that drive, rolled up here. Got about 214 yards to the flag. Kind of open up a 6-iron, choke up on it as well. Be good potentially. I don't, it might be really short. Really short? Well, it came up a little bit short with that 6-iron. I'm just gonna hit a little 54 runner, get it rolling like a putt. It's gonna break pretty heavily to the left. Let's see what we got here. Oh no, it's not far enough left. Wow, that checked a lot too. All right, about 10 feet up the hill, breaking right for par. Come on, Ian. Bang. He can't miss.
Can't miss.
Cannot miss. Flick the switch on my putter and now I just make everything. Should have turned it on sooner. Hole 14, par 4, 465, straight into the wind, pushing right. Got a driver here. Just gonna let the wind push it to the right. Kind of at that big bushy tree out there. What? I'm so surprised the wind didn't touch that. Shoot. Well, after getting insanely lucky with that drive, stayed in just barely. I got 224 into the wind, pushing right. I'm gonna try to get a 4-iron over this little rise right here. Should get over. It's gonna be close though. Come on. There's potential. Okay, short. Okay, my 4-iron made it to here. Got about 20 yards. Little gap edge runner. It's gonna break to the left. Settle. Wow. That was pretty poor. 12 feet for par, down the hill. Pretty dang straight. Just put a good roll on it. My gosh. Just was never good. Unfortunate bogey. Dang it. Now time for a beast of a par 3. 205 yards, straight into the face, uphill. I'm gonna hit a 5-iron because being long is not ideal. Play a little cut in there. Try to take some of the spin off this ball. Oh my gosh. Well, after hitting that 5-iron about 30 yards short, got a little 54 weird slope here. Just gonna run it up there. That just, yeah, that's pretty pitiful.
That was a little bit higher than you wanted.
A little bit higher, yeah. All right, after that very mediocre maybe below average chip. Got about 15 feet up the hill, breaking slightly left. Come on, let's put a good stroke on this. So close. Okay, bogey. That's a hard hole today. We've made it to hole 16. Par 4, 482 yards, straight into the wind, pushing a little bit right. I'm just gonna go kinda over these bushes, lining this water close. Just let the ball drift to the right. Such a good move at the ball. It's a great drive. Very, very nice. All right, after that pretty dang good drive, got 193 yards left of the flag into the wind, pushing right. I got a 5-iron. Started at the left side of the green and let the wind just bring it back ever so gently. Get in the bunker at least. And that's wet. Well, after hitting it into the water, had to take a drop. Now I'm left with this kind of crazy chip. A crazy upslope. It's downwind. Gonna be hard to get it to stop. Just match the shoulders with the slope. Is it gone? Yeah, it's gone. I chunked it. After that chip, I got about 24 feet, moving ever so gently to the right, into the grain. What a putt.
What a putt.
What a bogey, huh? Come on! Yeah, it was going miles past.
No, I was going like 10 feet past.
I know, Will. Okay, we've arrived at hole 17. 557 yard par 5, dogleg left, downwind pushing left. I'm gonna swing hard at this golf ball. That was aggressive. Yeah, that was punished. Well, after that pretty good drive, got about 213 to the flag. Downwind, I'm gonna hit a 6-iron. Just basically right at it. Right at the green. Oh my gosh, I drew it. Catch a piece of the bunker. Whoa, no. That might be wet. Well, after that Yankee Doodle 6-iron, got a little chip here. Come on, let's get up and down for birdie. I got so lucky that this didn't go in the water. Let's make something happen here. Come on. Oh, dang, thought that was gonna release. 12 feet for birdie. Going to the left. Just a little bit. Let's put a good roll on this. That was disgusting. Ew. Oh man, didn't realize I was straight into the grain. All right, par it is. All right, we've arrived at hole 18. 422 yard par 4. Wind is pumping out of the right at like 20 plus miles an hour. Just gonna hit a butter fade here, right down the fairway. Carry that bunker. Oh, it did. Let's go. All right, well, after that hammered drive, got about 125 yards. Just a little pitching wedge, faded in there. Let's do it. Wind's coming out of the right or the left.
Get it all! That's a good one. Oh! Oh!
Too much spin. 18 feet for birdie, going a little bit to the right. down grain, uphill, cancel each other out. Come on. Just a misread. Parsky. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. You saw what I ended up shooting. I think I shot 79. The wind was gusting up to 35 and consistent like 20 to 25. So conditions were super hard out here. I had quite a few errors, but hopefully the putter gets hot next time. Didn't give it my best stuff, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.